In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no devices or entities found while trying to pair Amazon Alexa devices. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this error mostly appears if you're trying to pair or even update or set up devices with Amazon Alexa app. To fix this issue, there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot. First, you want to check and ensure that you are not connected to any VPN, as this might be the reason you are facing this issue. However, if this is not the case, then check and see if you have any update. One of the reasons might be you are using an outdated version of Alexa app. To do this, go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone, and then check for Amazon Alexa, and should you find there is an update, update it to the latest version before you can now open and use this app. However, should this not fix your problem, then you want to go to settings on your phone, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Alexa app, and then you want to first stop the app and clear cache like that, and again clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Amazon Alexa app and try to pair or update, now everything should be updated or paired without any issue. However, should this not fix your issue, then the problem might be with Alexa servers. For that, you need to try and wait for some few minutes and try see if the problem has gone away. But finally, if this is not going away, then you want to try and use Amazon Alexa via web page. So for that, you need to go to any browser and just search for Amazon Alexa instead of using the app. If it will be redirecting to the app, you'll be forced to uninstall the app before you can use the web page version of Amazon Alexa. So that's how you can fix this issue on your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.